Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing our August beauty favorite. I have not done a beauty favorites or monthly favorites in forever. I just fell off on them, but I always love to watch them. I love to see what you guys are loving, what other YouTubers are loving and stuff like that. So I was like, I want to do a favorites video. And then I actually saw a few of them pop up on my feed and I was like, okay, that's it, I'm doing it. As you guys may have seen, I did do an Empties video, an August Empties, so I will have that link down below. And so this is the August favorite. So each month I'm going to try to do an Empties and a favorites video because I have a ton of stuff and I need to be rotating this stuff out. I need to be using it up, and so I need to be also coming back and telling you guys how I feel about it. So if you guys want to see all of the beauty products that I have been loving for the month of August, then just continue to watch. Okay, so I have one makeup item, and it is one hair care item, and this is the Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight. This is the Dream Detangler Jelly to Cream Conditioner, and I have like damaged hair. I need to get it like pressed and cut and all of that stuff, but until I can find somebody to do that, or until I can drive 4 hours back home to get it done, I have to just make do with what I got. I picked up this conditioner, and when I tell you guys, if you have like dry hair, like super tightly coiled 4C hair like I do, then this is going to be your best friend. Well, it was my best friend for the month of August, so it's definitely worth a try. It made my hair so soft. It made my hair easy to detangle, easy to like run my fingers through. I was able to condition it better. I was able to twist it better. My twists were way more moisturized. Like, it was so easy to like comb through and brush through and stuff like that. It just made my hair so soft. Even after I washed it out, my hair was still soft, and it still had like a little bit of like length on it. It hadn't completely shrunk up. So if you have a problem with shrinkage, then you can definitely give this a try, because instead of my hair being like sucked back to my head, it was still kind of like out, and it had like a little bit of bounce and stuff. As you can see, clearly I have truly been using it. So I'm not just saying it just to be saying it. And it smells so good. It smells super fresh and a little bit fruity, a little bit citrusy. I think it's got aloe. Yeah, it's got aloe in it, glycerin, and all of that kind of stuff. So I can't remember how much this was. I think it was around like $10 or $12, and I got mine from Target. So definitely give this a try if you're looking for a conditioner to stretch your hair and to make it super soft. Okay, so on to the beauty items. I have two palettes here, and one palette I actually recently used in my testing nude drugstore products, and I have had this palette for, I don't know, I want to say I got it like early August. I finally just uploaded the video, but I've had this product since like early August, and this is the Hollow Berlin palette. This is from Essence, and when I tell you guys, like, you can look and see, like, I have really been using it. Like, I promise you, I have been using this palette. I love this palette so much. I love these shadows. I think that the mattes are phenomenal. They blend really well. They're super pigmented. Like, I just love them. I think they're great. I think they make really nice, easy go-to looks. The shimmers are not the absolute best, but they're good. They're definitely good. I'm really just here for the mattes, honestly. The shimmers, they get it done. So if you're in Ulta and you want to try some affordable shadows, you want a nice go-to palette, this could literally be your everyday palette, and you wouldn't need to pick up anything else. So definitely give this a go. They had 3 different types, but I picked up this one because these shades spoke more to me. So definitely pick this up. I think it was around $6 or $7. So not gonna break the bank, and it's gonna give you exactly what you need to get the job done. Love this palette. Also, this is something that I discovered in my collection when I was cleaning up. This is the Covergirl True Naked Chocoholic palette, and when I tell you that I have had this palette for so long, and I was using it, but I lost it. We got disconnected for a while. I rediscovered her. She made me apologize that I ever let her go. Homegirl has been holding me down for the month of August. I have been doing a lot of like grab and go, like run, going to get errands, going to pick up food, going to get coffee. I've been doing a lot of that little stuff, you know, just to keep myself sane. And I've really been throwing on makeup when I go and do those little errands. I love having on makeup. It just makes me feel a lot girlier, and it just brightens my mood up, you know what I'm saying? So I like to just throw on something really quick, a tinted moisturizer, a little bit of concealer, set the face, a little bit of like cream blush or whatever, and a little bit of eyeshadow just to make the eyes pop, and some mascara. And this palette has truly come in handy. I love these three right here. Super quick look, super go-to look. I love to go into this one, this sparkly one, all over the lid, blown out, quick smoky eye. I really love this one and this one as well. The whole palette I love to go and just grab it, do a quick look, and head out the door. And it really does smell like chocolate, and it smells so good. And I love how compact it is. So I literally just keep it in my top drawer, ready to go all the time. Super great palette. They have a colorful one. I think I still have the colorful one somewhere in my like drawer and stuff, but this one, can't beat it. Okay, so let's talk about our face products. I have a tinted moisturizer, and I think you guys already know what this is. This is the L'Oreal Skin Paradise Water Infused Tinted Moisturizer. I have been absolutely loving this for just those quick grab and go days. I'll throw it on with a brush, throw it on with a beauty blender, and I'm out of the door. I love to pair it with these concealers here. I've been pairing it with the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealers. I like to go in with this shade on like my trouble spots. So I've got some acne marks. I've got like some dark spots, hyperpigmentation. So I love to go in with this, cover those up first. And then I'll go in with the tinted moisturizer. And then I will brighten up the eyes with this concealer, the lighter one in Amber. This one is in Cocoa. This is in Deep 02. Or I have been going in with the Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer. And I have been loving this concealer. When I tell you, it blends out so smoothly. It almost sets itself. It's so smooth and creamy, and you don't even need a lot. And it just blends right into the skin. It's gorgeous. I love this concealer so much. This is a great concealer, and this is in the shade Caramel Beige. Okay, so I have two things for the lips, and I think I have uploaded that vlog already where I went and picked these up, and I've only had these for about, I think like 2 weeks out of the weeks in August. But when I tell you I can't put them down, like this, I'm gonna just have to go ahead and get another one because I use this thing every day, all day. I carry it around in my purse. I love this. This is the Milani Fruit Fetish Kiwi Watermelon Lip Balm, and this was a recommendation from Andrea Renee. I love this stuff so much. It smells so good. It feels so great on the lips. It's moisturizing, hydrating. Oh my gosh, this stuff is delicious. It's amazing. It's so cute. The packaging is so adorable, and I love it. I can't wait to buy another one, and I think that this is going to be gone in like maybe a month. This might be in next month's Empty, the way that I am using it. The next thing is a lip gloss from Ulta Beauty. This is the Juice Infused Lip Oil, and as you can see, I have been using this as well. Like, look at that. Look at how much I have used already, and I haven't even had this that long. I love this stuff so much. It smells phenomenal. It smells like peaches. I think this is pomegranate. I thought this was like the pomegranate one. I can't find it on here. It just says 367. I think this one is like cranberry pomegranate or something, but it smells like peaches. Oh my gosh, and it's just so juicy. When they say juice infused, they really mean it. This stuff is so juicy. It's so moisturizing on the lips. It's just a delicious, juicy, glossy gloss, and I love it. It's not sticky. It doesn't get everywhere. I love carrying this around in my purse. These two have not left my side since I got them. They go in my purse. They're here on my desk while I'm working from home. Like, I'm putting them on. I love these things. So if you see these in Ulta, grab them both. They're amazing. So I have a mascara. This is the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. I love this mascara so much. I heard like back and forth things about it, but I ended up really liking it. The wand is super flimsy, so be aware, but I don't mind it. I did get blackish brown or brownish black or something like that. And I am going to get like jet black next time I go and re-up on it. This stuff is really, really great. I love it for the top lashes. I don't really care for it too much on the bottom. It gets the job done, but I don't care for it too much. I'll pick like my Rimmel Lash Accelerator, which is like my favorite. But this thing is amazing. It's a pretty beefy tube of mascara, which I don't mind. I love the packaging. I love how cute it is and how pink, and it's just phenomenal. Okay, so I have two new things for brows, and this is the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Defining Pencil. And you guys know I've been using the e.l.f. one, been using the Morphe one forever. And so I wanted to pick up a new brow pencil, and this Maybelline one has definitely thrown my Morphe one out of the window. I love how slim it is, love the spoolie. It's literally the same thing. I love it. This pencil is phenomenal and I love it. Great job, Maybelline, on that one. And then also for the brows, I've been using the e.l.f. Wow Brow, and this is just like a little fiber mascara for the brows. Super little bitty one, so cute. It fits perfectly in the brows. And I have been loving literally just outlining my brows with this, and then going in with this and just fluffing up my natural brow and running out the door. Sometimes I'll just use this by itself and run through my brows, create a little tail, out of the door. This, some lip gloss, mascara, my go-to. I have been loving literally this, and this. This has been my go-to look for so many days in August. If I did not feel like putting on tinted moisturizer, foundation, concealer, whatever, these three things, I'm good to go. I can literally throw this in my purse and I'm good to go. I'm confident, I'm feeling good. You know what I'm saying? So definitely check out the e.l.f. Wow Brow. It is amazing. And finally, I'm going to shout it out again. This is the e.l.f. Stay All Night Setting Spray. I love this stuff. I did a whole video on it. I will have that link down below. Please check this out if you have not. As you can see, I am working my way through it. So like I said, I did do a full video on this, so if you want more information, I will have that link down below. But just know that I love this, and this will probably be in an Empties video next month as well, because this stuff is so good. I love this little thing. It's literally front and center stage when I'm doing my makeup. Grab, set, and I'm go, and I'm done. Okay, you guys, so those are all of my August favorites. I hope that you enjoyed. I love coming and showing you guys what I'm loving, and I love seeing what other people are enjoying as well. I actually love hated videos too. I like to hate watch products that suck or products that I hate videos. I love those. I don't know why. It's like an unhealthy obsession, but I love them. I'm going to be doing them more on my channel. Let me know down below what are some of the things that you loved for August. Let me know some of the things that you hated for August. Let me know if you've tried anything that I talked about here, and if you love it or if you hate it, let me know down in the comments below. So my goal for my YouTube channel for the month of September is 2,300 subscribers. So right now where I stand, I think I'm at like 22, 26. Hopefully we're at 22, 30 when I upload this video. But if we're at 22, 26, then that would be and upwards of 74 subscribers. A very big jump for my channel, but I think we can definitely do it. So if you do not mind, and if you're enjoying the content, please consider subscribing and becoming a part of the Indie fam. I would love to have you over here, and I would truly appreciate it. We're fun, we're chill over here, you know what I'm saying? We're a little small family, but we're mighty, okay? So thank you guys so much again for joining me for another video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.